Is your Toyota giving you trouble starting up? That frustrating moment when it cranks but won't fire can ruin your day. Today, we're diving deep into common reasons why your Toyota might be hard to start and how to diagnose them. We'll cover everything from battery checks to sensor malfunctions, empowering you with essential troubleshooting steps. Before we troubleshoot, let's understand what your engine needs to ignite. Sufficient fuel, adequate air, and a spark. First, sufficient fuel. Without it, your engine has nothing to burn, leading to a no-start situation. Next, adequate air. A proper air-fuel mixture is crucial for efficient combustion and engine operation. Finally, a strong spark. This ignites the mixture, initiating the power stroke and getting your engine running. Let's start with the most common culprit, your battery and charging system. Often, it's the simplest fix. Symptoms include slow cranking, dim headlights, or just a clicking sound when you turn the key. First, inspect battery terminals for corrosion. Clean connections are vital for proper power flow. Use a multimeter to test battery voltage. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts. If your battery keeps dying, the alternator might be the issue. It recharges the battery while you drive. Next, the starter motor. This component engages the engine's flywheel to begin the cranking process. A single click, no cranking, or a grinding noise often points to a failing starter motor. Listen carefully for the starter motor engaging. A healthy starter makes a distinct worry sound. In some cases, a gentle tap on the starter can temporarily free a stuck solenoid. But be cautious and ensure safety. Now, let's explore the fuel system. Without proper fuel delivery, your engine won't get the energy it needs. Symptoms include the engine cranking but not firing, or sputtering and dying shortly after starting. Listen for the fuel pump priming sound when you turn the ignition on. A faint hum indicates it's working. Checking fuel pressure requires specialized tools. If unsure, it's best to consult a professional mechanic. Clogged fuel filters or faulty injectors can also restrict fuel flow, causing starting problems. The ignition system is next. A weak or absent spark means no combustion, and thus, no start. Symptoms include engine misfires, a rough idle, or a complete lack of spark, preventing ignition. Inspect spark plugs for wear or fouling. Worn plugs can lead to inconsistent or weak sparks. You can check for spark using a spark tester, but always follow safety warnings when dealing with high voltage. Faulty ignition coils are another common issue. They provide the high voltage needed for the spark plugs. Finally, sensor malfunctions. Modern cars rely heavily on sensors for precise engine operation. Symptoms include intermittent starting issues, engine stalling, or a complete no-start condition. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. These codes can pinpoint faulty sensors. Sensors like the crankshaft position sensor are crucial for engine timing. A bad sensor can prevent ignition. We've covered the key initial checks for your hard-starting Toyota. Remember, safety first. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with any step, always seek assistance from a certified professional mechanic. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from fellow Toyota owners. With these tips, you'll be better equipped to diagnose and fix your Toyota starting issues. Drive safe.